Betsy Obaseki don inspect Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium ahead of female football tournament. Sake of the second edition of Betsy Obaseki Futubol tournament wey go shele for September 7 to 17, 2022 for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium and other mini stadiums for Edo State. The First Lady of Edo State, Betsy Obaseki, and other members of the committee for the tournament go Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium and other venues on Monday to do inspection of the facilities and to see if the stadium dey fit enough for the tournament. She con tok say for the tournament, dem go expect 13 teams to participate from all over Naija and the winner go carry 5 million naira go house. She tok say the idea behind the tournament na to impact girls from inside Edo and all over Naija. She say before, Edo be number 1 for human trafficking matter, but the Obaseki administration don help reduce am. She still tok say this tournament na another way to see say dem end human trafficking patapata.
This is one of the venues. We've got 3 major venues. This is the world-class Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium. I'm sure you've heard about it. So this is where we're going to have the opening ceremony and the opening matches and the closing and final matches and ceremony. We're expecting 13 teams this time. We've had, as usual, many more requests, but we can't accommodate everyone. So we're hoping every year we'll try to accommodate more teams. So last year we did 12, this year we're doing 13, next year we'll probably do 15 or 16. The whole idea or philosophy behind this tournament is a long-standing one. It's not something that we decided to do for a few times. So we decided to do for any other reason other than one that would have a long-lasting impact on our girls. Not just our girls here in Edo State, but across the country. When you have behind your mind, you have a goal, an objective to change the narrative. You know that we suffered a lot of backlash with the human trafficking thing. We had a lot of our girls going out of the country, and with this current administration, government, it's been curbed. We were number 1 before worldwide with human trafficking, and now we're number 5 or 6 in the 5 years of the Obaseki administration. So that's saying a lot. So we're still, working hard and pushing and trying to provide our girls with alternatives for earning dollars and for finding, work and building a career, gratifying and meaningful career at home. So that sort of objective isn't one that would last a year, 5 years, or 10 years. It would last 20, 50 years because as long as opportunities exist, football is, who knows what century football started worldwide. And it's still getting stronger and stronger, isn't it? Yeah, so this is going to last as long as football exists in the world.
Betsy Obaseki con still chook mouth put for other ogbonge program wey go shele during the tournament.
Last year was our first year, and even us who organized it, including the participants, were all very pleasantly surprised and pleased at the performance. It was world-class from day one. You recall that FIFA had an event in Qatar sometime this year, early this year, and they recognized what happened here in Edo State and gave the government of Edo State an award, and our deputy governor went and received it. So that says a lot. And for a first outing to have gotten international recognition and acclaim, it says a lot. So really, that's why these people here are permanent, because they did such a good job last year, and they will remain with us for all time. So there's really little improvement because we did so well last year. Improvement, new and other things that we're expecting to happen is we're expecting to have more VIPs attend, and we're expecting to have some extra other activities other than the football. We're planning to have some kind of soft type seminar rendezvous with some relevant stakeholders nationally combating drug abuse in our country. Because every year we come out with a theme. Because it's not just about playing football. We want to also send out a message to our young girls. Last year it was on promoting the girl child education. This year we're saying no to drugs. So we do this year. Last year we did nothing around apart from playing, the matches. But this year we are going to continue. Every year we'll have some discussion, some activity around the topic with my invitees and also with our young girls, the players, as well as with we'll invite young children from secondary schools across the state to also attend and have that interaction with us and go back with some knowledge.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget, say your PVC and your power. Not sell them give any politician on election day.